So this is a little bit hard for me, and so the way I do it is I put it and I push it onto I close it onto the towel on my lap so that I can like squeeze it as tightly as I can so that I can, you know, put it on get the taco right here. The tricky part about being in a wheelchair and cooking is that it splashes your face, which is never fun. So you just gotta be a little bit careful, So we're making egg tacos this morning. Gotta get these nice and soft so they give me a good fold. You just want an egg burrito so bad. So, put this right here, put this right here. Pretty good. Get another tortilla going. And we'll get some eggs inside. I know you're so hungry. My sweet family's so hungry. They just love to eat all the time. And I'm very glad that I can cook for them. So then we have this, and then we close it up. And again, I can't like, so there we go. Then it's a little bit better, like so. And then put my spoon right here to weigh it down. Let it cool down like that. And that is how you make an egg taco with paralyzed hands for very hungry children. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.